Okay, here we have a 1972 Ferrari 246 Dino switch. It has a very nice, what we call squiggly worm finish on the black crinkle finish on it, which is correct. Interesting about this switch is that it is a two-position switch. You'll see a little screw head down in here that is actually the replacement of what was originally a positive stop that limited this, on later model cars, three-position arm to only two positions. Go ahead and show them how that operates there, Matt. Just two positions. It's either on,
that's on,
or
that's
off and park. And these earlier vehicles that had the variable speed resistor, which we were supplied with here, allow you to put it in the on position and change its speed. So now we're going to show you exactly how that works. We have cleaned up this motor completely. The armature in it was in need of new insulation, and we had to resolder the armature commutators on it because it had overrun at some point. But now it's all lubricated and completely rebuilt internally. This is the clock motor that senses when it should go into the park position. Let's go ahead and just turn it on here. Okay, now we have this operating through the variable speed resistor, and right now I believe it's on slow speed.
Yes.
Yeah. And when we turn the knob on the switch, which actually, because of this version switch, only has about 30 degrees of movement in it, within 10 to 15 degrees, it goes through its entire speed change. Now, we offer another resistor that actually is made by Ohmite, and it is a heavier duty nichrome wire in it. This particular switch has a defeat mechanism in it, so it's actually 10 to 70 ohms, whereas this is 0 to 70 ohms. It's not that much of a difference in control. It still controls the speed. So if you give us fast speed on that. And there you are. That is the fast speed on this particular assembly. And so there's not a whole lot of variance on this particular one. But it definitely is fast and slow. So we have it wired up here. Hopefully your wiring harness that you just plug into will meet all of these specifications, but we know where every wire goes, and if it didn't plug directly into your system, we can advise you on how to plug it in properly. So
it does self-park.
Yeah. Oh, and now he's got it. He turned it off and it automatically parks. Go ahead and do that one more time, and then turn off, and it parks. Clock motor is in the system. So everything is operational. Completely restored and rebuilt switch with new plastic and plating throughout. All of the graphics are detailed. Reinforcements on the turn signal cancellation wheel. Gone through, cleaned up, restored, and re-insulated and resoldered the motor. And your original equipment variable speed wiper switch. So there we go. Thank you very much for your attention.